Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu wa maghfiratuhu. So today it's me, Ahmed Ghazi, and today I'm going to deliver about a very trendy topic which is a very much trend, which is digital marketing. Digital marketing. Everyone is speaking about digital marketing, but very less people know what is digital marketing, how to do digital marketing, and what are the basis of digital marketing, what are the steps of digital marketing. So basically, the first step which you do when you do digital marketing is that you need to promote your websites which will promote your digital marketing business, that you're doing this, you're investing so that other people can know that you're doing digital marketing. First step is promote your business through a website, a channel, collaborate with other people, other businesses, do SEO to rank your website, to get digital marketing to your top, to get your business ranking highly, to get your business known by the people, so that when people search about digital marketing, you come first. If that happens, then you're very much in luck, because it means that you've mastered SEO. SEO is the very main point of digital marketing. SEO means using keywords and tags in your descriptions, in your titles, and the posts which you publish on your website. You need to use the trendy keywords, the trendy tags of the internet. And after some people search about those keywords, tags, and descriptions, then your websites will rank higher and higher, and you will get much more intentions, you will get much more views, you will get much more people watching you, you will get much more impressions on your website. And after you get enough of impressions, you can start your business. You can start investing, you can start trading, you can start selling, you can start buying and selling. There are a lot of types of digital marketing. The first type is getting common is the OctaFX type. Like, there is a software named OctaFX in which we invest in markets, we invest in Bitcoin, dollar, or whatever we want to invest in. First of all, we need to study the market. When the market is going lower, when the market is going higher. We invest when the market goes lower, and we get our profits if the market goes higher. We get our loss if the market goes lower. It is basically a very complicated term that very few people understand, because it is a whole course. If you don't do the course, if you want to understand it by yourself, by YouTube, by internet, by AI is very common. So if you want to learn it from AI, and then it will take you so much time that until you master digital marketing, a new type will have came, and that type will have gotten old and boring for the people. So for that, you must do a course and understand your digital marketing through your experiences, through your experiments, and through the guidance of people. The second thing which is very important in digital marketing is collaborating, is analyzing, and is to getting your website more popular, getting a digital marketing business more popular than your competitors. If you don't stop out the competition, then you cannot rank, then you cannot come on the top of it. So if you want to analyze your market, if you want to defeat the competition, then the first thing is analyze your competition. Before analyzing yourself, analyze your competition. What are they doing? What are they doing that you are not doing? What are the secrets? What are their secrets? If you want to know their secrets, a lot of people on the internet will say this is their secret, this is their secret. But no, you cannot know their secret until you analyze them, until you see their progress, until you see at which time it was their rise, at which time it was their fall, it was their downfall. So then you can analyze that which thing did they do to get their rise higher. But that's not the only thing. If you want to get your business higher than them, if you want to defeat the competition, then if you just copy them, if you just copy and paste them, what they are doing, you will just copy and paste. So that will not work, because they've already achieved what you want to achieve. So you need to introduce something new in it. If you want to introduce something new, then a lot of people will say, how can I do that? I'm not much creative. So if the other person is selling products, is selling mobile phones through digital marketing, then you can introduce something new. You can sell mobile covers, you can sell mobile software, you can sell programs. And if you talk about the other type of like OctaFX type of trading, in which we invest in Bitcoin, dollar, then in that, if they're using a product, if they're using a formula that at this time it will go low, at this time it will go high, then you cannot copy the formula. You need to introduce 99.8% accuracy. For that, you can defeat the competition, you can rank higher, you can get more investments, you can get more impressions. And lastly, I want to talk about when people say that digital marketing is a scam. Because there are a lot of types of digital marketings, and some people just come and say that get 3 more people and we will give you money. And they say to those 3 people that get more 3 people and they will get you money. This is a total scam. But and people think that this is digital marketing, this is a scam, so the whole digital marketing is a scam, is a fraud. So basically, no. If you want to understand digital market in a better way, if you want to understand it in a better way, then you must get guidance from a person who is more experienced than you, who has more knowledge than you. The last but not the least, I want to talk about how to analyze, how to collaborate, and some examples. If you want to analyze your competitors, you have analyzed your competitors, I've told you about that, then you need to analyze yourself. That what are you doing wrong, because of which you're not rising, because of which you're not able to defeat the competition. Maybe you're not doing the SEO correctly, maybe you're not using the tags correctly, maybe you're comprehensing the tags, maybe you're stacking the tags. So these are mistakes you can do, so you need to analyze yourself as well. And the second point is you need to give points. You need to give points to yourself. If you achieve something, don't be like, he has achieved more than me, I have not achieved that. In digital marketing, you need to be motivated. If you lose your motivation, then in digital marketing, you can't stand it. Because competition will keep coming. Competition will keep coming. Impressions will keep falling. But if you keep yourself motivated, if you keep yourself analyzing, if you keep yourself doing the SEO, you ranking, then you can definitely get your position in the digital marketing. Digital marketing. Then the second, the third point which I want to speak about is that how to collaborate. How to collaborate. You may say that I'm a small businessman, I don't have much impressions. How can I collaborate with a larger person, with a larger business? They are my competition, they will not collaborate with me. So basically, you need to target those who are just a little bit bigger than you, who have a different audience than you, so that you can attract that audience to your business. If you have a cola, if you have a soft drink company, you're selling soft drinks. From other people, you're buying soft drinks, you're selling soft drinks, then you can't compete with Coca-Cola, you can't compete with Pepsi, you can't collaborate with them. You need to collaborate with someone who is basically different from your business type. Like, let's get example of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola collaborates with YouTubers because Coca-Cola knows that no YouTuber is selling soft drinks. But when KSI launched their own soft drink, then Coca-Cola didn't collaborate with them. But the person who don't launch their own soft drinks, then Coca-Cola, Pepsi and other companies collaborate with them, and this is their strategy to get their digital marketing, to get their business higher. You may say that's not digital marketing, they're just selling products. But nowadays, every company, everyone has adopted digital marketing in their own self. Even if it is a physical company, they're still doing digital marketing in their insights. They're still advertising, they're still promoting their products through websites, they're still collaborating with YouTubers, they're still collaborating with people who are famous on the social media. That's it.